standing water here. Oh, look at the rain, it's actually flowing off really quick there because of the field. This is a major road in and out of Wigan. Oh, look at the pothole! The grid's come up. Look at the grid. That car's just dropped down it. You can see the water flowing. Oh my god. Right, it's actually lifted the metal grid off because that car nearly went down the hole.
Yeah.
So the water's that strong, it's coming up through the grids, not down.
God.
Even the vans are going slow, and they've got a higher clearance.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the water on this Mercedes! It's coming up past his number plate. Oh, that Borough Mail wagon's just done a U-turn.
Yeah, you can't go through this.
Well, the wagon could.
Oh,
This is
bad.
bad. I should have turned around there then. I'm just going to take it super slow. That's way too fast. You're bowing. You're an idiot.
Oh my god. You're doing it now?
What it is, they're creating a bow wave.
Yeah. Oh crap. Oh no, Dad. Oh.
It's alright, don't worry. Right, that Clio wants to turn around. I don't blame him.
Oh, this is
bad.
bad.
I should have turned around there then. I'm just going to take it super slow. That's way too fast. You're bowing. You're an idiot.
Oh my god. You're doing it now?
What it is, they're creating a bow wave.
Yeah. Oh crap. Oh no, Dad. Oh.
It's alright, don't worry. Right, that Clio wants to turn around. I don't blame him. Got an Audi behind me. He'll not want to go slow. Do you think we should go back the other way?
No.
You want to do it again?
No, I don't want to do that again.
You just best drive carefully. I won't go left. Oh crap. I didn't even see that water. Oh, I should have gone straight. Now this is literally brand new. They've only just done this.
Take it slow.
But Emily, that's a brand new ambulance centre. Again, not enough drainage.
I'm not walking home.
You will be if the car
I'm
stops.
not
You will be if
walking
the car
home.
stops.
That's bad, that.
Oh my god, the whole island's underwater.
Oh my god.
We're not doing that.
My god.
That is bad, that.
He's on pavement.
Well, it's the only way he's going to get around. Let me reverse, don't keep encroaching. I am not going that way. Right, I'll bet you that car has tried to get through it and this four-wheel drive's had to drag him out. I've seen this before. Somebody did it last year, was it last year, year before, under a bridge, which was flooded. Because it was a company car, he didn't care, he tried to drive through it and he wrecked the car. That Kia's just gummed it.
Why are you going on the other side of the road?
Right, they're trying to keep, I don't know, they're trying to keep aware. Now, that Toyota needs to slow down a little bit. You don't have to.
Imagine if you just start floating now.
You would do. You literally would do. Right, he's doing the intelligent thing and turning right. a little bit. You don't have to.
Imagine if you just start floating now.
You would do. You literally would do. Right, he's doing the intelligent thing and turning right. You see I'm not creating a bow wave behind me?
Yeah.
You're in a four-wheel drive! Are you seriously thinking of not going through after a Nissan Note's just gone through? With your front tinted windows, which are illegal. His front windows were tinted black.